What do you think of that? So take a look at that little beauty. This, my friends, is the Stewart Handy Worker from the Chicago Flexible Shaft Company. I was really excited to get this little guy. It's gonna take a lot of cleaning up, but I think it's gonna be just, if not a super useful tool in the shop, it's gonna be a fun little addition to have just to look at. So we've got an anvil, horn, got the step, got a hardy hole, grinding wheel, gonna take some cleaning up, a vise. It did not come with the pipe vise. There's a pipe vise jaw that can go in here, two different styles. One's a toothed V, I guess you would call it, pipe vise like you would think of, and then one's a chain vise. It's got this whole gear rack set up back here to run this. Just super cool. Just super cool. I've never even seen or heard of one of these before. This will just be a quick video, just kind of looking at it. This is my first chance to really kind of look at it. It's in pretty decent shape, I think, really. A little rusty. What we call patina, right? I think it's gonna clean up and work. I'd really like to have it kind of operable by Tazapalooza. So that looks like just a turned wooden knob. There's no, it doesn't go all the way through. And it looks like it's trying to fall out or being broke, but stuff like that we can clean up, maybe fix. If not, got a lathe right there, we'll make one. Yeah, super cool little tool. There's also, sorry, I think there's a drill press type of attachment that you can get that goes in here too. I got the grinding wheel. And I'm sure there's supposed to be a crank back here that we didn't get. So we'll have to maybe make one. We'll have to check it out, do some research and see how everything hooked together on that dude. But super cool, super cool. Got a lot of stuff going, getting ready for Tazapalooza. Got a carb kit coming for that old Home Light Model 17. We'll see if I can get that Lancaster going, I'm not sure. And then if we run out here into the kingdom of dirt, because I've been working on it, but I had to get it out of the way. That old Pioneer 600 running like a top. Just need to get the rim sprocket here, spur sprocket, and that turkey will be going. Probably that 7300 back behind it. We'll take it. Maybe that 700. We'll see. I'm gonna jam as many saws and tools in there as I can. We're gonna take the anvil and probably that little forge right there. That anvil will have to come off of that stump. I'm sure we can find a piece of wood at Kenny and Corey's to put on there. So yeah, we're getting ready. Oh, and just because this is the way we do things, I guess. Last year we put a camper together to go. Well, we got rid of that one. And we got this one, and we got to do a little repairing on it to get it ready to go too. But Dana's in there right now cleaning up, and we got to do some window fixing and maybe some water pipes, fix the toilet. But we'll, yeah, we'll have that ready to go for Tazapalooza too. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Doesn't have a lot of ring, does it? That's all right. It's not probably not going to get used much as an anvil. Like I say, probably be more of a, hey, look at this stupid thing I bought and fixed and got it running. And you know, that's kind of like chainsaws. I got old chainsaws that really, I don't care if they ever run again, as long as I know that they did when I got them. Not going to cut a lot of wood with them old turkeys, but it's fun to see them run once in a while. Hey, thanks for watching. I'll try to get video of taking this apart and cleaning it up, getting it running. We'll see how that works. Hey, one thing I always say, 2 or 3 things I always say when I remember to do it. Work hard, be safe doing it, above all have fun, but be safe while you're doing it, and go out and get you some. Love y'all. Take care. See you at Tazapalooza.